Coming back in. No, that's fine. I just went over you.
Did you?
Yeah, it looks pretty smooth. Moving out of the plane's way.
Still daylight, he'll take you up.
Yeah, maybe sometime when the kids are taken care of, we'll come by and do that sometime.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a kitty. Look, Joan. Joan.
Oh,
I was all carrying or following it with the camera.
were you?
Instead of the plane.
You were.
You're a little distracted. Now I got gusty for a second.
Let's see who gets out first. I see Alex. Look at
There's that baby. Come here. What'd you think? It was alright? That's it? You didn't like it?
I liked it.
Did you? What are you all shy for? You're talking to me.
This is sweet. That was the greatest thing ever. That was a cool birthday present, I guess.
There you go. Alex, what'd you think? It's alright.
I should get to the
Oh,
The
dear.
airs, right? Everything.
Okay.
Gotta Sonic the air, so.